Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have 5 to the power of m equals to 5 multiplied by m plus 15, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So here the very first step we are going to do is here first we focus in the right hand side, and you see here we have 5 be the common expression or common term, so that we take common here and we get m plus 3. So in the next step, here we just move this 5 to the power of m in the left hand side, so that we just divide both of the sides by 5 to the power of m, and it will be written as in this form. So we have divide both of the sides by 5 to the power of m. So in the left hand side we have 5 to the power of m as well. So this implies that 5 to the power of m divided by 5 to the power of m equals to 5 into m plus 3 is divided by 5 to the power of m. So here you see that this 5 to the power of m is cancelled out by this one, and we have 1 is equals to, here you see that the bases of on both of these two terms are same, so we move this exponent to the upsides and it will be written as 5 to the power of 1 minus m into m plus 3. So in the next step here we use the nice Lambert W function. So first we a little bit introduced about this function. So we know that the Lambert W function is stated as w of x times of e to the power of x, and the output of this function is equals to x. So actually this is stated as the standard form of a Lambert W function, so that in this form we make the exponential function in the base with base e, and we multiply the exponent of this exponential function by here, and then we apply w, and its output is the exponent of x. So we make this type of condition here, so that first we make the coefficient on these terms are same, so that here we need to multiply both of the sides by -1, so that when we multiply both of the sides by -1, it will be written as -1 is equals to 5 to the power of 1 minus m into minus m minus 3. And in order to make this condition here, we need to multiply both of the sides by 5 to the power of -4. So when you multiply both of the sides by 5 to the power of -4, then we easily get m minus m minus 3 to the exponent of this term. So this will implies that minus into 5 to the power of -4 equals to 5 to the power of -4 into 5 to the power of 1 minus m into minus m minus 3. And now in the next step we have minus into 5 to the power of -4 is equals to, here you have bases on both of these terms are same, so we write it as 5 to the power of, this is -4 plus 1, so -4 plus 1 is equals to -3 minus m, and we write this minus m minus 3 as -3 minus m. So you see here we have the exponent of this term and is multiplied by here. So now we have the time to convert this exponential equation into the base of e. You know that if we have just 5, when we convert this 5 into the exponential form, so we write it as, we just take the log and anti-log at the same time of this term, and we write it as e to the power of log 5. So we use this type of condition here, and we make over this exponent with this base e. So now here we just take the log and anti-log at the same time of this term, and it will be written as e to the power of log of 5 to the power of -3 minus m into, we have this is -3 minus m. And in the left hand side we have this is -5 to the power of -4. So here we need a little bit simplification to this term, and here we use the property of log, and we move this exponent to the front of this log, and it will be written as e to the power of -3 minus m into log of 5, and here you have minus 3 minus m. So now in order to convert the standard form of Lambert W function, here we make the exponent of e is multiplied by here, but you see that we have this is minus 3 minus m is already here, but we need log 5, so that now we multiply both of the sides by log 5. So when we multiply both of the sides by log 5, it will be written as minus into log of 5, and into this term, this is 5 to the power of minus 4 is equals to, here we multiply log 5 on this term, and it will be written as e to the power of minus 3 minus m into log 5, and here we multiply this term by log 5, and it will be written as minus 3 minus m into log of 5. So in this step, we just multiply both of the sides by log 5. And here you focus in the right hand side, and our right hand side will be ready or will be converted into the standard form of Lambert W function. So now we're ready to apply the w on both of the sides. So here we just apply the Lambert W function on both of the sides, and it will be written as w of minus log 5 into 5 to the power of minus 4, and is equals to we have this is w of e to the power of this is written as minus 3 minus m into log 5, and this is multiplied by minus 3 minus m into log of 5. So we just write here, here we just apply the Lambert W function on both of the sides, and we just apply the Lambert W function in the right hand side, and we know that the output of this Lambert W function is the exponent of this e. So we just write this as minus 3 minus m into log of 5, and in the left hand side we have this is w of minus log 5 into 5 to the power of minus 4. So now in the next step, we again need to apply the Lambert W function in the right hand side, and here we rewrite this term 5 to the power of minus 4 as here we have 5 to the power of minus 4, and we write it as this is minus log of 5 into we have 5 to the power of minus 4, and we write it as 5 to the power of minus 5 plus 1. We know that minus 5 plus 1 becomes 5 to the power of minus 4, and in the right hand side we have minus 3 minus m into log 5. So here we separate the exponent of this term, and it will be written as minus 5 times of log 5, and here you have 5 to the power of minus 5, and this whole is equals to minus 3 minus m into log 5. And here we again convert this expression in this term into the exponential form. So we write it as minus 5 log 5, and here you have e to the power of log into 5 to the power of minus 5 is equals to minus 3 minus m into log 5. So here we use the property of log, and we move this exponent to the front of this log, and it will be written as w of minus 5 log 5, and here we move the exponent here, and we write it as e to the power of minus 5 log 5 is equals to minus 3 minus m log of 5. So here you again see that we have the exponent of e is multiplied by here. So now the here we again use the Lambert W function, and the output of this function is minus 5 times of log 5 is equals to minus 3 minus m into log 5. So this log 5 is cancelled out by this log 5, and we have this is minus 5 equals to minus 3 minus m, and now we move this minus m in the left hand side and minus 5 to the right hand side, and we get here m equals to 5 minus 3, and finally we have the value of m is equals to 2. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.